In factorization, always check the coefficients and check the variables carefully. Now, to factorize an expression, you need to find out what is common amongst them. So first of all, let's look at our coefficients. If it is the coefficient you are dealing with, look for the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor of the coefficients involved. So what is the HCF of 3 and 6? That is 3. So I have my 3 out. That is for the coefficients. Now looking at the variables, what do they have in common? I can see A is common, therefore I bring the A out. Is there anything else in common? Which is no. Therefore I now open my bracket. The 3 here is already taken out, so the 3 is gone. The A is also taken out, so the A is also gone, leaving only the X left there. Plus, then you ask yourself, how many 3's are in this 6? Which is 2. There are 3. There are 2 of the 3's in the 6. Therefore, 3 into 6, that is 2. This A over here is already outside. So what is left in there is the 2 and the Y. So that when I multiply 3A by X, I should be having 3AX. Then 3A by 2Y, 2 is 6. A times Y will give me AY. So that whatever I multiply here should give me whatever is added on. I also have 54 minus 81x. 54 take away 81x. What is the highest common factor of 54 and 81? The highest common factor of 54 and 81 is 27. So I have my 27 outside. Nothing is common again, so I open my bracket. How many 27's are in 54? That is 2. Take away how many 27's are in 81, which is 3x. So this is my complete factorized form of what I have. Now I have x raised to the power 3. Take away x raised to the power 2y. When you have anything like this, what is common for the two sides? It is x. But always check the powers. Take the one with the smallest power outside the bracket. Don't forget that. So now, what is common here is x raised to the power 2. Is there anything else? No. I open my bracket. X raised to the power 2 is out. How many x are here? They are 3, as you can see. And I've taken 2 of them outside. The x over here are 3. I've taken 2 of them outside. Therefore, it is left with only 1 of the x in there. Take away the x over here are also 2. I've taken all the 2 outside, so I'm left with only the y. Let's not forget that anytime you take any number or variable outside, it belongs to the two sides. Now I have 100x. Take away 25x squared. So let's look at our coefficient first. What is common? The highest common factor of 125 is 25. So I am done with the coefficient. Let's take the variables. I have x and I have x squared. And let's not forget we said you choose the one with the lowest power, which is the x. So we are done. Therefore, how many 25s are in 100? That is 4. The x here is already out, so there is no x there. Take away 25 is already out. There are 2 of the x here, but I've taken 1 out, so it is left with 1 in there. Therefore, that is my final factorization, such that when I multiply 25x by 4, I should be having 100x, and 25x by x, I should be having 25x squared. Now I have 5ax minus 15a cubed x squared. HCF of 5 and 15 is 5. So I'm done with the coefficients. A and A, the smallest one is A. X and x squared, smallest one is x. I now open my bracket. Everything here has been brought outside. So you put 1 here, because any number times 1 should give you the same thing. Take away, how many 5s are in 15? That is 3. So I am done with the coefficient. The A over here are 3. I have brought 1 out, so it is left with 2 of the A's. The X over here are 2. I have brought 1 out, so it is left with 1 of the X. This is what I have now. 7a minus 7a raised to the power 3 plus 14a raised to the power 4. So I just need to find the highest common factor of 7, 7 and 14, which is 7. A cubed a raised to the power 4. The one with the smallest power is a. So I open my bracket. This 7a is already outside, so I have 1 minus the 7 is out. The a's are 3, but 1 is out, so it is left with 2 of the a's. Plus, how many 7s are in 14? Which is 2. The a's over here are 4. I have taken 1 out, so it is left with 3 of the a's in there as my final factorization.